how to set up Uber driver app for Uber Eats. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside the App Store, you want to go ahead and simply search for the Uber driver app. And once you search for it, go ahead and simply download this application onto your mobile device. Once you have downloaded it, you want to go ahead and tap on Open. And once you open the application, sign in with your existing Uber account or simply create one by providing your personal information. So once logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on the status bar at the bottom of your map screen and then select the settings icon at the bottom of your screen to access driver preferences. Tap on deliveries to turn on Uber Eats. By accepting the terms, you'll start receiving delivery requests, and you can toggle delivery on and off anytime. Also, before you do that, ensure you have the necessary documents ready, a driver's license, and proof of vehicle insurance. Upload these documents through the app or by signing into partners.uber.com. The approval may take 3 to 5 business days. So once approved, you will receive a notification that you're ready to start delivering. Once done, you want to go ahead and open the app again and tap on Go to go online and begin accepting delivery requests. Well, that is simply how you can set up the Uber driver app for Uber Eats. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.